Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. Make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram app to access the Instagram collab feature, and then just navigate to the post. Go to the Instagram post for which you want to add a collaborator. It can be a recent new post or even an older one on your feed, and then just tap on the three dots. You'll find them on the top right of your feed post. Select edit and then just click on invite collaborator. If your account is a private account or the collaborator's account is private, the collaboration will be only visible to mutual followers. So you just have to go to your Instagram app and then just click on the profile and then just click over the three lines. And here if your account is a personal account and it's not private, you will see a collaboration feature. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.